up, Tierra squad? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra. You can go ahead and call your girl T. So we are doing another lifestyle video today. I wanted to get into this review because I am doing a at-home laser treatment, okay? And let me tell you, the only reason why I'm really doing this is because this company has been harassing me. Like, when I tell you, I googled laser hair removal treatment at home, and ever since then, every single slide in between Instagram, Kenzzi. Like, I swear that my FBI agent be working double time, overtime, they work holidays, all of that. I'm doing my review on, as you guys already know, oh, can you see this? I'm going to just be giving you an overview, giving you a review of how I feel about the entire thing, adding in some footage, showing you guys how you actually do it, letting you know all my thoughts in the tea, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into this. So first things first, let's jump into the tea. This is really not black people friendly. That's basically what they said. So when I went on their website, they don't have their website updated, but on the back here, this is the colors that you can be to do this. Y'all can see that one, it's not a super dark like range. So first of all, I'm not quite this dark. Well, I kind of am right now because I'm super tan, but like I'm definitely not this dark, and there's like 10 different black shades in between all three of these. So there's the tea on that. I was a little nervous. From their website, they actually had the last 3 circles I just showed y'all blocked off. They was like, if you this color, you can't be here. And I guess because from what I read in the technology, it looks for dark, like the hair follicle holes. And you know, 1, black people have like strawberry legs typically, and 2, hairs are very hard to distinguish sometimes from our skin tone depending on how dark or light your hair is, or how dark and light you are, period. So I was a little worried about that because I've seen other girls get burned and I was just not trying to be one of those shorties. So they told me that you can be up to like a 2 or a 3 with my skin tone, but really to see the results you need a 5. So this is a 12-week course. You can do up to 3 passes at one time. It's once a week for 12 weeks, and then after that, once a month. So right now, I am on my very first week. I'm obviously going to do follow-up videos. I have in my calendar. It is set. I want to be a skinless cat. Okay, let's go ahead and actually show you guys the product. Okay, it says Kenzzi here. So it has a button here. These are lights. And then it has your other button here, which is the power button. And then we have the cord that goes in, and it is not wireless. It is plugged in only. This does go from ranges 1 through 5. The lighter you are, the easier for this to happen. I'm not even about to front on y'all. It was definitely like, I'm not gonna say that it hurt, but like it definitely didn't feel good. I would say I was relatively uncomfortable. And then when we got in between my like inner thigh area, I'm just used to like a different touch there, you know? So it was painful. I kind of skipped the areas because I, 1, don't have a lot of hair there that grows on my inner thigh / inner side of my leg, but 2, it's just a really sensitive point for me, and I was just like, this is not what the girlies are asking for. I know I don't want this. And that was only on level 3. So I don't know what level 5 is about, but I'm not about to find out. As of right now, I'm testing it only on my legs because I have very sensitive skin. I don't really have a lot of hair on my arms, so I'm never pressed for that. But once I see if this is working, and it's been well over 48 hours and I have no bad reaction, I'm gonna take off my mustache because it grows like crazy. And I would like to do my armpits, but my armpits are like kind of darker than like my regular skin, you know. I need to get them light. Like, give me tips, whatever, but like I don't want to get a bad reaction on my armpits. So I'll keep you guys posted on that when I do an additional video. The most important thing for this is that you shave previous to doing this. If you have more sensitive skin, you want to do it the day before. And this is the only time ever it's okay to be an ashy girl. If you know me, I hate wearing lotion, so they told me I couldn't wear lotion. I'm like, finally I can be an ashy girl in peace. But yeah, you don't want to have any type of lotion, creams, anything on afterwards. Just dry old you. I have the footage here, you guys can see. I am now doing the treatment. One thing that is interesting is that when you press and hold down, so first of all, the light turns pink whenever it is flat to your skin. So it has to be flat to your skin in order for it to happen. So if you have like really bony legs, like the bone part of my leg, it was not hitting there. Like I had to literally like turn it sideways and go up. So yeah, take your time with that. Also, if you press and hold the button afterwards, you can just like slowly pull it across and it automatically zaps you without you having to press the button individually every single time. So that's nice. It is also recommended to kind of overlap just so that you are not missing spots, you know, whatever it takes to get to the point of being a hairless cat is where I'm trying to be, period, you know? So the retail price for this is $229, but they have a sale. It's been going on for well over a month. You get $50 off. So that puts you at like $179. After shipping and handling, it's like $180. It's like $185. They do have payment options. You know, I love me a good old pay in four, but I actually just ended up buying this like outright because I was like, don't have the time. But you do have the option if you want to pay it in 4 payments. So that's nice. And over the course of this time, you know, I personally think it's worth it for me. I spend enough on waxes and I just like get tired of seeing my mustache and it stresses me out. Before I get out the shower, my coochie hair done growing back. So if I can find a way to remove this permanently and not have to get waxed, baby girl, we in business. As always, I am not an esthetician. I am, you know, basically just the guinea pig, to be honest. So make sure you go and talk to your doctor, your dermatologist, esthetician, whatever you want to do to make sure that your skin is a skin that's not too sensitive. Now, I don't know about what's gonna happen. You can literally, I've seen girls who are lighter than me that got burnt the F. So I think it's about your setting, and I don't know what to say about the girls who are darker. I just wish that Kenzzi knew how to do what they needed to do. Other laser treatments that you can buy, and it's like all skin tones. But from what they're saying in their technology, they're looking for like the darker spots, and that's how they remove the hair. So I guess melanin gets in the way. I don't know about that. It sounds like someone didn't do their job. This is just my initial review slash unboxing slash just giving y'all the tea on the product before you purchase it, you know, because I know y'all getting those Instagram harassments as well. I'll be doing a follow-up video either on the 8th week or the 12th week, so I'll be keeping y'all posted, but hopefully your girl is to the touch hairless, okay? As always, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have already used this product, make sure you tell me down below how you like it. What is the pain tolerance that you have? Like, I feel like I have a relatively high pain tolerance. I have been getting hurt my entire life, very accident prone, so always in and out of the hospital, and I also pushed out 3 kids, so I'm like, it shouldn't be that bad. But like, I'm telling you guys, on level 3, I was not feeling the most comfortable. Again, I was able to distract myself and kind of watch YouTube videos and just kind of do it, but like, I had to take a break between my legs and like, you know, so the girls who were like, what? I got zapped and I felt nothing. They are lying. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.